Student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, yes? Did you enjoy your Corona holiday? Did you enjoy your Corona holiday? Higher secondary first year. Your group name is Occasional Education. Your group name is Occasional Education. Your subject name is Basic Electronic Engineering Theory. Basic Electronic Engineering Theory. Okay. Basic Electronic Engineering Theory. Okay, va? Basic Electronic Engineering Theory subject have totally you have 10 chapters. Okay, totally you have 10 chapters. What are the chapters? Basic Electronic Principles, Electrical Devices. Chapter 3, Basic Principle of Electronics. Chapter 4, Power Supply. Chapter 5, Transistor and Amplifiers. And Chapter 6, Special Type Semiconductor Device. Chapter 7, Oscillator. And Chapter 8, Digital Electronics. Chapter 9, Fundamentals of Digital Computers. Fundamentals of Digital Computers. Chapter 10, Electronic Measuring Instruments. Okay, totally you have 10 chapters. First one is Electrical Principle, Electrical Device, second chapter. Third is Basic Principle of Electronics. Fourth is Power Supply. And fifth is Transistor and Amplifier. And sixth is Special Type Semiconductor Devices. Okay, seventh chapter is Oscillator. And eighth chapter is Digital Electronics. Ninth is Fundamentals of Digital Computer and Electronic Measuring Instrument, the last chapter. Now we are going to discuss about Basic Electrical Principle. Now we are going to discuss about Basic Electrical Principle. Okay. To discuss about Basic what? Basic Electrical Principle. Okay. This lesson now we are going to discuss about Introduction to Electricity. Now we are going to discuss about Introduction to Electricity. Okay, now we are going to discuss about. Okay, children, listen. In this class we are going to learn about Introduction to Electricity. Okay, in this class we are going to learn about Introduction to Electricity, types of electricity and electrical properties, Ohm's law, resistor in series circuit, resistor in parallel circuit, types of resistor, color coding of resistor, tolerance code of resistor, Kirchhoff law, capacitor, types of capacitor, capacitor in series and capacitor in parallel. Okay, now we are going to discuss about Introduction to Electricity, types of electricity, electrical properties, Ohm's law, resistor in series circuit, resistor in parallel circuit, types of resistor, color coding of resistor, a tolerance code of resistor, Kirchhoff laws, capacitor, types of capacitor, capacitor in series, capacitors in parallel. Okay, you should mark. In the lesson la nama enna panna porom, learn panna porom. Chapter 1 la, chapter 1 name is Basic Electrical Principle. Okay, chapter name is Basic Electrical Principle la nama idella enna panna porom, learn panna porom. Okay, Introduction to Electricity. After types of electricity, electrical properties, Ohm's law, a resistor in series circuit, resistor in parallel circuit, types of resistor, color coding of resistor, tolerance code of resistor, Kirchhoff law, capacitor, types of capacitor, capacitor in series and capacitor in parallel. Okay, did you understand? This is your topics. Okay, in the first lesson have totally this topic. Okay, carefully. Introduction to electricity. Okay va? Everyday life இப்போ இருக்க modern lifeல we need what? Electricity. We need electricity இல்லையா? எல்லாமே நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்றோம்? We should use electricity இல்லையா? இப்போ normally now you are using mobile, laptops, இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Electricity. Okay, this is a electronic device. You know already computer is an electronic device இல்லையா? You know already computer is an electronic device. Everything is made up of current. Everything is made up of current இல்லையா? Just you should consider one human being. Suppose human being தூங்கணும்னா கூட we need current இல்லையா? We need current. Normally current இல்லாம நம்மளால தூங்க முடியுமா? முடியாது. Okay, current இருந்தாதான் நம்ம என்ன further என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? You should use whatever lab, mobile, all the electronic device. You should use all the electronic device. அப்படிதானே? நம்ம current இருந்துச்சுன்னா, electricity இருந்துச்சுன்னா we should use என்னலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? You should use whatever. எல்லாமே we need electricity. நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண எல்லாமே என்ன ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு? டெவலப் வளர்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா? நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நார்மலி we should use a fan, a light. Now they are நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியா யூஸ் பண்ண ஹவுஸ்மா they are improving more இல்லையா? இப்போ ரீசெண்டா what is that? நமக்கு எக்ஸ்ரேலாம் எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? அதுக்கு ECG, EEG, EMG, EOG இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க? டெவலப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? நம்ம ஹெல்த்லயே நார்மலி நம்ம ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போனாலும் இப்போ எக்ஸ்ரே எடுக்கும்போது நமக்கு ECGயோ அது எல்லாமே டெவலப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? EEC EEC தமிழ் மீனிங் ரைட் பண்ணுங்க. மின் இதய வரவி. ஓகே, மின் இதய வரவி. EEG means மின் மூளை வரவி. ஓகே, EMG மின் தசை வரவி. ஓகே, எக்கோ சொல்வோம்ல, மின் கண் வரவி. இதெல்லாம் வச்சுதான் இதெல்லாம் வச்சு நமக்கு ஏதோ வாட் இஸ் தட் நம்மளோட என்ன சொல்ல, நம்மளோட பாடி என்ன செய்வாங்க? டாக்டர்ஸ் வந்து செக் பண்ணிப்பாங்க இல்லையா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? இந்த எக்கோ இதெல்லாமே வச்சு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா டாக்டர் நமக்கு என்ன டிசீஸ் எதுவும் இருக்கா அதை எல்லாமே நமக்கு இது பண்ணிப்பாங்க. ஓகே, first you should write introduction to electricity. You all are brilliant. Yes, you all are brilliant இல்லையா? நீங்க எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்ல பசங்க, நல்ல பிள்ளைங்க. You all are brilliant. Okay, first you should write introduction to electricity. Okay, introduction to electricity. Electricity is the integral part of human lives: water, space, land, fire and air. Today technology we need what? Current. All the human beings all the activities and functions of the human beings are preferred control facilitated by electrical and electronic gadgets. Electrical and electronic gadgets இல்லையா? For example, a person awaking for sleep and during sleep environment work routine psychological activities have been preferred by electrical or electronic gadgets. I already explained இல்லையா? Yes or no? I already explained anappa. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனாலும் we need electricity. We need electricity and electrical and electronic gadgets. We need electrical and electronic gadgets. Okay va? Engineering technology, humanity and arts mostly really electrical and electronic gadgets for the substance. Further, our body activities are initiated and controlled by movement of ions across the cell wall, which is called the bioelectricity. Currently, in the medical diagnosis, the measurement of bioelectric potential on the surface of the human body, such as electrodiagram, electro ECG, EEG, EOG, electrochlora, okay, play a vital role in understanding the functioning of the body organs. The disease condition in automobile, most of the mechanical parts are controlled by electronic controls. Okay. Additionally, the identification of human beings is based on biometric measurements, which completely depends on electronic gadgets. Okay. As a result, the human being is dominated by electrical and electronic gadgets. The learning and understanding of the working principle is well advised for proper handling, maintenance and troubleshooting of those diseases. Hence, we will discuss the history and basic principle of electricity in this chapter. Okay, ma'am. First, உனக்கு நம்ம நீ எடுத்திருக்க குரூப்பை என்ன எடுத்திருக்கா? பேசிக் எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங் தியரி. ஓகே, இதில் நீங்கள் என்ன தான் படிக்க போகிறோம்? ஃபுல்லி கரண்ட், அல்டர்னேட்டிங் கரண்ட். யூ ஷுட் ஸ்டடி லைக் தட் ஒன்லி. நீ அதை பற்றி தான், கரண்ட் பற்றி தான் நீ என்ன படிக்க போகிறோம், லேர்ன் பண்ண போகிறோம். இந்த வேர்ல்டில் நம்ம கரண்ட் இல்லாமல் இருப்போமா? இருக்க முடியும். 1 நிமிட் கூட நம்மளால் இருக்க முடியாது. யூ நீட் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. நமக்கு we need electricity. Okay. Okay, you have any idea about current? Current is flow of electrons, இல்லையா? Current is flow of electron. Did you understand what I am saying? Current is flow of electron. Did you write introduction to electricity? Have you written, all of you? Have you written? Listen. History of electricity. Okay. You have any idea about history of electricity? You have any idea about history of electricity? Okay. In June 1752, American scientist Benjamin Franklin tried to prove that lighting is a phenomenon of electricity by flying which is conductive. அவங்க என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சாரு? அவங்க என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சாரு? நம்ம மின்னல் சொல்லுவோம்ல, மழைலாம் வரும்போது மின்னல் இருக்குல்ல, அது என்னது? அது கரண்ட் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு பண்ணாங்க நினைச்சாங்க. ஓகேயா? ஓகே, இந்த ரெயின் சீசனில் நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல தமிழ் பட்டெல்லாம் இது பண்ணுவோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி அவங்கள விட்டு அந்த மாதிரி அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அதை கரண்ட் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டின்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சாங்க. ஓகே, லைட் ஜார் மீன்ஸ் குடுவை. ஓகே, குடுவைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அந்த பட்டத்தை பறக்கும்போது அது என்னாச்சு, அந்த மின்னல் வந்து ஸ்பார்க் பண்ணி அது என்னது, அது வந்து வாட் இஸ் தட், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டின்னு என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அப்சர்வ் பண்ணாங்க. he observed electricity. okay, he observed electricity. after that he proved that is electricity. first அவங்க பெஞ்சமின் பிராங்க்லின் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அந்த மின்னல் வரும்போது அது என்னென்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சாங்க, என்ன ஒன்று எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டின்னு அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ண நினச்சாங்க. ஆஃப்டர் தேட் அந்த மின்னல் பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு பட்டத்தை பறக்க விட்டுட்டு அந்த மின்னல் தாக்கும்போது அது என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அந்த என்னாச்சு, he observed what, he observed electric. okay, electric spark. அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சு என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, he proved after in 18 in Paris, Italian scientist in 18 Italian scientist Alessandro Volta proved that his invention voltaic pile produced electricity. first Benjamin Franklin he proved மின்னல்ல இருந்து மின்சாரம் இருக்குன்னு he proved. ஓகேயா? okay, you should write first you should write history of electricity. okay, history of electricity in 1752 American scientist Benjamin Franklin tried to prove that lighting is a phenomenal electricity by flying with conductive rods to attract lighting a Leyden jar, which was the only form of capacitor. அந்த குடுவைக்கு அது முன்னாடி என்னது, capacitor. before capacitor, when it was flying at a certain height, he observed an electric spark and felt electronic shock slightly, which proved that lighting is electric in nature. okay, in 1752 American scientist, you should mark the line, his name is Benjamin Franklin. this is one word. okay, you should mark the line, one word. okay, did you mark, all of you? Did you mark? He observed an electric spark and felt electric shock slightly, which proved that lighting is electric in nature. Did you understand? Did you understand what I am saying? Have you written, all of you? Write neatly. You should take one fresh note and you should write. neatly within your ink pen. Don't use Bellicon. After that, why now you should only use ink eraser? In the diagram you should must draw the pencil. Okay, don't draw the pen. Write neatly. Okay, write neatly. Keep in your mind. Write neatly. Write neatly. Don't see here and there. Okay, look at your videos only. Okay. Did you understand? Generation of electricity. The next one, generation of electricity. In 1831 to 32, British scientist. Okay. British scientist Michael Faraday invented electromagnetic generation for using Faraday's law. Okay. Faraday's law of electromagnetism, which produce alternating current. என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? மைக்கேல் ஃபாரடே எலக்ட்ரோமேக்னெட்டிக் ஜெனரேஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? எலக்ட்ரோமேக்னெட்டிசம். ஓகேவா? British scientist Michael Faraday invented electromagnetic generation for using Faraday law of electromagnetism, which produce alternating current. என்ன current? Alternating current. Okay. Next, Nikola Tesla, American inventor, contributed the design of modern AC supply system. Okay. யார் அதை டிசைன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? Who is designing? American scientist Nikola Tesla. செர்பியா. அவங்க என்ன டிசைன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? மாடர்ன் ஏசி சப்ளை சிஸ்டம் இதை டெவலப் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஓகே. 1831 to 32, in British scientist Michael Faraday invent electromagnetic generation for using Faraday law of electromagnetism, which produce alternating current. Nikola Tesla, Serbia, American inventor, contribute the design of modern AC supply system. Modern AC supply system means alternating current supply system. What is that? Alternating current supply system. Do you understand what I am saying? Okay. All of you write this. Generation of electricity. Okay. In 1831 to 32, a British scientist Michael Faraday invented electromagnetic generation for using Faraday's law of electromagnetism, which produce alternating current. Okay. Nikola Tesla, Serbia, American inventor, contribute the design of modern AC supply system. Have written all of you? Okay, write fast, write neatly. Okay, I will give mark for your presentation. I need neat presentation. Your classwork should be neat. Okay, you should mark the line for 1832. England, British mechanical Faraday. In the previous subheading you should mark the name is, what is that? Say the name. Benjamin Franklin. Yeah. Mark the two lines. Did you mark? This is all one word, okay? You should mark. நான் மார்க் பண்ண சொல்றதெல்லாம் மார்க் பண்ணுங்க. எக்ஸாமுக்கு முன்னாடி போகும்போது என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணி இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு போகணும், ஓகேயா? After that you should mark Nikola Tesla, Serbian American inventor, contribute the design of modern alternating current supply system. You should mark, okay? That is important. Did you mark, all of you? Okay, next one, types of power generation. Next one, types of power generation. Okay, important types of power generations are, in the book they given 6. Okay, 6 type. In the book they are given 6. Okay, what are they? Hydroelectric power station, and thermal power station, atomic power station, wind power station, solar power station, and gas power station. How many? Totally 6. What are they? Say the type. Hydroelectric power station, and thermal power station, and atomic power station, wind power station, solar power station, gas power station. Say the types of power station. Say the types of power generation. Say the types of power generation. What are they? Hydroelectric power station, thermal power station, atomic power station, wind power station, solar power station, gas power station. Have you written, all of you? Have you written? Don't look here and there. You look only in your video. Did you understand what I am saying? Hydroelectric power station, thermal power station, atomic power station, wind power station, solar power station, and last one is, what is that? Gas power station. Have you written, all of you? Have you written? Okay, very good. Shall we move? Electricity. Okay, it is a kind of energy. Okay, it is a kind of energy that cannot see like here. Its extent can only be through the working of electrical appliances. Also, its extent can be found using tester and multimeter. Yes. இந்த ஏரை என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, நம்மளால பார்க்க முடியாது. இந்த எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டியும் லைக் ஏர் மாதிரி தான், என்ன முடியாது, நம்மளால பார்க்க முடியாது இல்லையா? அது எது மூலியம் நமக்கு ஃபீல் பண்ணலாம்? we can feel through the working with electrical. நம்ம அது மூலியமா தான் we can feel இல்லையா? Okay, also its extents can be found using line tester and multimeter. Okay, all of you write this. Write definition of electricity. Okay, it is a kind of energy. That one cannot see like here. Its extent can only through the working with what? Electrical appliances. Also, its extents can be found using line tester and multimeter. Line tester and multimeter. Okay, have you written, all of you? Have you written? I hope you all are written, yes? Have you written all? Have you written, all of you? Shall we move? Listen carefully. We have two types of electricity. What are the types? We have totally two types of electricity. What are the types? Alternating current and direct current. Alternating current and direct current. Okay, alternating current and direct current. How many types of electricity? We have totally two types of electricity. Okay, there are alternating current and direct current. Okay, just what I will say, what is that? Alternating current and direct current. After we should see briefly. Okay, in the alternating current, in the alternating direction, the alternating current directions of current varies with time. Okay, this current varies with the time. Okay, varies with the time. This is called alternating current. Okay, it has two terminals. One is base. It has two terminals. One is base and neutral. What are they? Base and neutral. What are they? Base and neutral. If the base terminal has positive value and the neutral has minus negative value. Okay, if the base terminal has, they have to interchange negative to positive. After that, neutral, positive to negative. Did you understand? In next class we should learn briefly. Okay, today we are discussed what are the topics. Today we are discussed what are the topics. Introduction to electricity. Introduction to electricity. Is or no? Is or no? What next one is history of electricity. Next one is history of electricity. Next one is history of electricity. Yeah. In the Benjamin Franklin tried to prove that lighting is a phenomenon of electricity by flying a kit with conductor rods to attract lighting to a Leyden jar which has the only form of capacitor. Yeah. When kite was flying at a certain height, he observed an electric spark. He observed an electric spark and felt electric shock slightly. Okay, which proved that lighting is electric in nature. In 1800 in Paris, Italian scientist Alessandro Volta proved that his invention of voltaic bulb produced electricity. After that, generation of electricity. Yeah. In 1831 to 32, a British scientist mechanical Faraday invented electromagnetic generation for using Faraday law of electromagnetism, which produced alternating current. Nikola Tesla, Serbian American inventor, contributed the design of modern AC supply system. Okay, next one, types of power generation. Next one, types of power generation. What are the types? Totally they are given 6 types. Okay, what are they? Hydroelectric power station, and thermal power station, and atomic power station, and wind power station, solar power station, gas power station. What are they? Hydroelectric power station, thermal power station, atomic power station, wind power station, solar power station, gas power station. Next one, electricity. Next one, electricity. Okay, it is a kind of energy that one cannot see like air. Its extent can only be an through the working of electrical appliance also its extents can be found using tester and multimeter. Okay. Next one, types of electricity. Totally we have two types. What are the types? Alternating current, that means AC, and direct current, that means DC. Did you understand what I am saying? Okay. Listen carefully. Your homework is you should make 20 fill-ups. How many fill-ups? 20 fill-ups. Don't forget. Okay. Your homework is you should make 20 fill-ups. Okay. I will not give a question answer. I gave only 20 fill-ups only. Don't forget. Write neatly. What are we are giving? You should write and put the WhatsApp. Okay, write and put the WhatsApp. Don't forget. Okay, your homework is you should make 20 fill-ups. Don't forget. Okay.